Xiaomi smartwatch, a fantastic smartwatch which you can use to count your steps while you're running, you're walking. Here has activity buttons, stats, workouts. You can count your heart rate. You can count your SpO2, your oxygen, your sleep, your stress, how many cycles are you doing, the weather, events. It has music and camera inside. Many things you can do with this smartwatch. You have to download an application in your mobile, so to be able to see what exactly you're doing every day, what you're tracking, what you're recording, your steps, your cycling, your yoga moments, your rope moments.